We did an installation for a EvoFit 10-inch Android entertainment system for a 2020 Hyundai Creta. This is a base model, so basically it didn't come with any player, so we installed a car specific frame to get the touchscreen in. It looks beautiful, like it's sat perfectly into that space, so it utilizes exactly the amount of width that's there. Usually a 7-inch screen looks kind of small in this slot, which comes from the main brands. This has a host of features, like we always say. This has GPS navigation, video in motion you can watch, HD video, there is lossless music formats, Google Maps, you can install music apps using Play Store, host of other things. Right now this is a new device, so we've not done the sign-in, so after the sign-in the apps can be installed. This comes with the equalizer too. Like basically most of these systems which come in the mid-price segment don't come with elaborate EQ, but this one does. It has an interesting feature, like if we click here, it basically puts off the screen, so while driving it doesn't disturb us. Other than that, there are buttons out here. If we put on the headlight first level, the parking, so the LEDs kind of light up and it dims the screen, otherwise it's a really bright screen. Okay, if we hit on video, this basically plays videos so from internal storage or from a USB device. Right now we have connected a USB pen drive to this. The two pen drive slots are passed into the glove compartment neatly. So the screen clarity is excellent. Sound quality also is really good. This system has an interesting feature. Basically it's a picture-in-picture, so for video, so I could hit the home button and the video continues to play, whereas I could go pick up a different app, do my stuff, and then come back here and it continues to play. Pretty interesting feature. Alright. So if we hit on navigation, by default it pulls up Google Maps. With a Wi-Fi connection, we can have our maps to view, we can download offline maps, and basically we will not need internet to search for places. The system has inbuilt radio, so we can save multiple presets and load radio channels as we please. Alright, we can play lossless music formats using the music app. Right now there's something playing from the pen drive. This has a very interesting folder search, so basically we could go here and within the same folder there are songs. Basically you can show all the songs too. We can choose a particular folder to search. Within the folder we could select songs, so quite interesting. Alright. This system has inbuilt Bluetooth, so we could pair our phone for music as well as phone calls. We could receive our calls and it automatically cut off the music. This is the car settings. This is the main area wherein we can go do the integration stuff and some basic features. So that's what makes this system quite unique. It's got a full canvas integration. This system we have also installed a reverse camera. So right now it just shows what's behind us, very close to the wall. Also this has a front camera which we have installed, so it'll load up to show who is standing in front or vehicles while we're parking. This has an inbuilt instruction manual within this, so basically we don't have to get a paper manual to get an understanding of the system, because there are a lot of features and stuff. And if you'd like to pick this up, you can get in touch with us. If you want to learn more about these features, you can call us directly, and you can pick this up on evoretrofits.in. and you have a nice day. Thank you.